To use offset in AutoCAD, simply come up here and click on offset and then type your distance. We type 200 and I'll press enter. All you have to do is just select your object, point a direction and click. Select the object, point a direction and click. Not just vertical lines, even lines at an angle. Select it, point a direction and click. Select, point another direction and click. Not just lines at an angle, even cycles. You can do the same. Click, point outside and click. Click this one, point outside and click again. Not just that, even arcs. Select this arc, point out and click. Select, point out and click. Select, point and click. Even rectangles. Select a rectangle, point out and click. Point out and click as well. And then to end the command, simply press enter on your keyboard. Even a horizontal line. Now to offset again, simply select on offset and type another distance. This one I will type 100 and then I will press enter. Select a horizontal line, point a direction and click. Select any line, point any direction and click. However, if you want to change the distance while you are in the command, you can do that. Simply select the object you want. Instead of clicking, just type a new number. I will type 300 and press enter and I will get this. If I select this point outside and I type even 1000 and press enter, I will get this big of a shape. If I select it, point it inside and type 500 and then I'll get this. That's a little about offset. Hope that helps. Press enter on your keyboard to end your command.